let's take a look at some of their Christmas decor. Okay, so here we have the tin container with the truck. Isn't that adorable? That is buffalo check. And then you have the candy cane one back there. I can't move that. And then the snowflake one, and that one with the stripe too. So then they also have these Santa Claus, ho ho. And then this one here I can't move. They have this green one that says Happy Holiday. And I'm absolutely loving this buffalo check bowl. Then they have the little smaller bowls right here. I don't know. They're $3 for this big one. And I'm pretty sure that one right there is $1. So look at these tins. So these are $1.50. You know what? I think the 50 cents extra is worth it. Here's the snowman and here is the Christmas tree. And okay, so then you get two of the these rubber containers for Christmas. There it is in the red, and here it is in the green with the Christmas trees. And they do come in round. And they're the smaller ones. So here's some Christmas cards. And here is the snowman's boots. You get 3 of them for $3. That's $1 each. And there are the plaid ones. Then you get 3 of these deer for $1.50. That's a great buy. And then look at the little sippy cup for the kids. These are $1 each, and they have the red one and the blue one. And then a coffee cup says blessed. When these make such pretty, Christmas gifts, and I'm absolutely loving these. I love these coffee cups anyway. These are so pretty. So this one says Be Merry. This one says Farm Fresh Christmas Trees. Look at that with the buffalo check. And there it is again. Okay, and then here is this one. That is so pretty. So these are $2 a piece. These are so nice. And this one says Merry Christmas. So here's the mason jar one, $2. And that one says Christmas happiness is homemade. And then you have the turkey. Oh look, the Christmas gift. And what is that one? And the snowflake. Okay, so then over here you have the bath towel set. That's $6. Then the gift bags and the sticker tags and the door cover. That's $1. Then you have the lace doilies in red. And look at this. These are Christmas ornaments. You know, they're sticking the ornaments all randomly everywhere. North Pole, the workshop, tree farm, and here's some more gift bags. So here's the cookies, the cookie set, and the milk, the mug and the plate for $3. Then you have this mug, Let It Snow. And there is Santa back here that says ho ho ho. How adorable is that? Then the salt and pepper shakers, Santa and the snowman. And here is the salt and pepper shaker in the truck. So down here you have the placemats. And there's the silver and there's the red. And then you have this kind here, but I don't want to knock that down. So I can't, they're $2 each. And then you have some tissue paper. Cookies for Santa. And what does that one say? Let's see. Merry Christmas. Isn't that pretty? I like that one. There is the mat. Merry Christmas. And look at these. This is a table runner with the truck. $6. What a great buy. And here's another fabric cloth. That is $8. And look at the chargers. I love that candy apple red. There is that gold. Oh my goodness, that gold is so deep. And there is the silver. And these are $2 a piece. Okay. So here you have the Santa bowl. That's $2.50, a nice size. And then these, the stackable ones, $2.50. That is so pretty. Okay, and then you have this candy bowl, maybe with the handle. That is $3. And here are some more containers. Let me see, some melamine plates here. These are $2. Here's some cookie cutters. And here is the cookie pan with the cutter for $5. So have yourself a merry little Christmas for $2. These are so pretty. Okay, and then they have these containers right here. These are $1 each. Isn't that pretty? So they have that one. Then they have this one, Mrs. Claus Bake Shop. Then they have those cookie cutters for $1. And here are some towels. I miss these. And they're $1. Okay, and I don't know if I showed you these. So here is like the soldier, $2.50, and the hat comes off for you to store stuff. So here's the snowman, and here's the wooden soldier. Are they not adorable? Okay, and then you have like these accent stands, and then you have, here's the buffalo. Well, this one is buffalo check. They're $1 each. That's so pretty. Here's the snowflake. Here's the red buffalo check. And then here's the truck with the Christmas tree. And then here are some towels. These are kitchen towels. There's the truck with the red. Let me see if I can bring this down. Okay, so the one in the back doesn't have a print. The front one has the truck. And then you have this one. This one has the blue kitchen towel, the blue truck with the snowman in the back, and the gray towel. And then this one over here has farm fresh Christmas trees, cut and carry. Those are really nice. Then along the top you have some, oh look at these, they have pom-poms. Okay, so this bake set, Baking Spirits Bright, has that pot holder. That's really nice. Let me see. $2. Wouldn't that make a nice gift? Oh, and then you have some more ornaments over here. These are $3, and then those. Okay. These are so pretty. Okay, so these are tablecloths. I'm sorry, dish mats? Yeah, dish drying mats. So this one has the truck. There's the buffalo check. And these are $3. And then these are the towels also. That one says Believe in the buffalo check. Those are $2. They're so beautiful. This one says Candy Cane Wishes. And then these are the plastic. Is that tissue paper? No, it's a tablecloth in plastic for $1. That's so pretty. And they even have it in the buffalo check. Let me see. I don't want to drop these. Okay, so they even have them for $1. Here's the snowflake one, the green one. Okay, guys.